1. Properly measure ingredients. Measuring ingredients accurately is essential for baking success. Use a digital kitchen scale for dry ingredients like flour and sugar, and use measuring cups and spoons for liquid ingredients like milk and oil. Level off the top of dry ingredients with a flat edge like a spatula to ensure precise measurement. 2. Bring ingredients to room temperature. For many baked goods, it's important to let ingredients like butter, eggs, and milk come to room temperature before mixing. This allows them to blend together more easily and create a smoother batter. Take them out of the refrigerator about 30 minutes before starting your recipe. 3. Preheat your oven. Always preheat your oven before baking to ensure even cooking and proper rising. Preheat to the temperature specified in your recipe and give the oven enough time to reach that temperature before putting in your baking dish or pan. 4. Use the right type of pan. Different types of baked goods require different types of pans. For example, a loaf pan is good for bread, while a muffin tin is ideal for muffins and cupcakes. Pay attention to the type and size of pan specified in your recipe to achieve the best results. 5. Let baked goods cool before slicing or serving. While it may be tempting to dig in right away, most baked goods benefit from a little cooling time before slicing or serving. This allows them to set and makes them easier to handle. For example, let cakes cool in their pans for about 10 minutes before removing them, and let cookies cool on a wire rack before storing. 6. Cooling baked goods. It's important to let baked goods cool down before serving or decorating them. This helps them set and firm up, as well as prevent them from falling apart or melting. 7. Storing baked goods. Most baked goods can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for a few days, but some need to be refrigerated or frozen. Read the recipe or consult a baking guide for the recommended storage method for specific baked goods. 8. Use the right tools. Using the right tools can make a big difference in your baking results. For example, use a rubber spatula instead of a metal one to scrape batter from the sides of a bowl. Also, invest in a good quality baking sheet to prevent cookies from sticking. 9. Don't overmix. Overmixing your batter can cause your baked goods to turn out tough and dense. Mix ingredients just until they are combined and no more. When making muffins or quick breads, it's okay to have a few lumps in the batter, as over-mixing can lead to dry, tough bread.